Shock did fine, it's just the bracket.
Oh, the bracket came out?
Bracket broke.
Yeah, I want a Sycamore. Sycamore's pretty fun. That's the one with the middle Widowmaker, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want a that thing. It's pretty cool. It's nice. Dog getting hot, huh? So you had to turn the AC on, yeah. I like that? People be blinking?
He was just noticing that.
Yeah.
We just put that solar panel on.
It looks cool like that though.
Yeah,
Gives a little personality, you know?
Yeah.
Gives a little personality when you listen like that.
Tourette?
Yeah.
The Tourette's light. That just
Tourette's
someone
light.
just pointed that out today, and I'm like, no. I think it's a power. I don't know if it's a power cross or.
That's like, it's like winking at you, you know? It's like gives a little personality, you know?
They should look at me. Looking at me across the street. Wow, guys, they came with the.
like this when you got it?
Yeah, well, bought the Wrangler and they did $12,000 an add-on.
Damn, son. This is what I need.
Oh yeah.
That's what I need. I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot right now.
Oh yeah. It's still even hot.
Yeah, because I got the Land Cruiser. I got the Land Cruiser. It's hot, but I need some more. I got some like probably like that big.
Oh yeah.
But I need some more. Probably need. I'm thinking of just cutting the whole hood.
Yeah, we got
Yeah, just take the hood off.
That's what I did for summer.
I might as well. If there's a drought, they said it's not gonna rain anytime soon, so might as well. Oh, this bumper is. Oh, you got electric fan right here too. Huh?
Yeah, that's just for the trans.
Yeah, I need one of those. That's what I need. Cherokee.
Got a little bit of work.
Oh yeah. Okay, it's not bad. See that? Oh, you got the aftermarket headlights on. Fox suspension. Where'd you get this from?
I made those.
Oh, you made those?
Yeah.
Man, that's pretty cool. Yeah, you pretty much made it like custom fit right there.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I did all the welding.
You did all the welding? You know how to weld?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I wish I did.
Fun stuff.
Doing it again. So you got Mishimoto radiator?
Oh, you know it. Mishimoto everything.
That's what I need. Woo.
What Land Cruiser you got?
80 series.
Oh, okay.
There's a black one over there.
Yeah, we used to have a 92. So.
Oh, did you? The FJ80?
Yeah.
That's cool. You got this Cherokee.
Yep.
How'd you get rid of the Land Cruiser?
Well, it was my dad's, and we built it up. Well, he actually bought 91, and then got in a car accident. Then bought a 92, built that thing up, 33s, and roof rack, all the stuff. And then he bought a Raptor, so
He bought a Raptor?
I'm done with it.
Man, you shouldn't have.
Yeah.
See that? You see that? What's it called? Bring a trailer Land Cruiser that sold for 136,000.
Oh, gosh.
That's what I'm like. I'm not taking less than 10 for mine now.
Keep yours.
I'm not taking less than 10 for mine now.
7.
Even if my engine's blown, I'm not selling less than 10.
Oh yeah. I would.
I'm like, come on now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got a YouTube too. I mean, oh, you might be on my channel? Oh, you might be on my channel?
I don't care.
All right. So I don't have to blur your face out. Yeah, this thing is brand new too. Jeep Performance Parts. Damn, I didn't know they had that. Jeep Performance Parts. I've never seen that before. I've never seen that logo before. It's the first time. I'm a noob. I was like, I don't really see that many Jeeps.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
sound like that? Tick, tick, tick.